Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to add a remove home screen widget on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want out the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one to show you how you can do that to have a little bit more space. And now just to do that, you should hold for a while with your finger the screen by this way, and here find the widgets icon. Just click once here, and now you can see all the available widgets of the application which we can add to our home screen. For example, we can go with the clock here. We can see the 3 different types of the clocks. Just hold, for example, one from the widget, for example this one, and drag it here, for example, to this up section. If you wanna, we can also move this widget between the screens. Just hold it and drag it here. We have no here space just on this page, so we can create the new screens with the widget. As can you see, that's really simple. Just hold and drag it. By the same way, we can add here more widgets, for example the calendar, the regular one, or the shadow. So just click once, and as can you see, we just successful add the new widget. We can change the size of this widget. Just hold it for a while, and now just we can make it smaller or bigger by this way. And if you want to just remove the widget, hold it and click here to the remove icon, and by this way you can see that we can just add, remove, or customize the widgets on our OPPO device home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.